Yeah, so we're going to the GIANYAR night markets. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's try this food. Wait, we all jumped out of the car and closed the door, and Darnell was still in there. He was knocking. I was like, what's that sound? Wow, that's jackfruit being cut open. Is this animal cruelty or what? Good morning, guys. It is my second last day here and the days are just flying by. It's gone really fast. I've just been up all morning editing yesterday's vlog because we went out doing stuff yesterday. I didn't have time. So I'm trying to get 2 uploaded today. Hopefully I can get the fruit mukbang. And hopefully we go tonight to try the Balinese food, the street food. But I'm gonna go out to breakfast and show you guys what we got. Let's go. Okay, let's go now. How about you all get out of my room? Ooh, pancakes. Pancakes and beer. I'm sure it's not beer.
No, I think it's juice.
Jeez, a lot of these little flies flying around. Get out of that seat. That's Mum's chair. So we've got some fruit there. The huge. And then we got the thingos. Come show me. Wow. It's a magnet. It's a fridge magnet.
It's bunny tail.
Is that yours?
You can hang this up with a nail.
Oh, that's nice. My parents are so cute. My mom told me that my dad woke up early this morning, was raving about the bike experience we had yesterday. He loved it so much. And my biggest regret is I didn't get their photo.
Pancakes so good.
So good?
Yeah, even the fruits, so nice.
What do you know about bad and big?
Show us your Gucci. Show us your Gucci. Gucci mate. Yo. You got the drip. So I haven't picked up the camera all day. I have edited 2 videos today and I've just spent my whole day in the room because we are going to the night markets today, so we have rested in the daytime. My parents didn't really feel like going to the rice fields because they were pretty tired from yesterday's activities. But tonight we're going to the street markets and I really hope that I can get some good footage for you guys, some good foods, desserts. I'm really keen on the desserts, trying different things, and hopefully my stomach can hold it because I do leave tomorrow night, so hopefully I'm not, you know, utilizing the plane's toilet the whole way. But we're gonna be we're gonna be going to the market soon. What do you think? Do you think I lost 1 kilo or 2 since I've been here? I'm sad because I am leaving my family here. I know it's only a day difference, but I'm also excited because I get to see Oshi Bear. And so I'm really keen on going tonight. So we're gonna wait. It's raining right now. It's a pretty wet day. Don't know if you can see that, but it is pretty wet. And then... And so we're just waiting for it to stop raining because I checked Google and it says that it's going to stop raining by 5 or 6 in GIANYAR. So that's where we're going for the street night markets because I heard that's where they have the best street food and desserts, Balinese foods. So we might just replace the mukbang with the trying street foods. Excited about that, Dana? Dina? Yo, you look so gross. Look at these two. Technology. That looks so cute. These socks and... Oh, Daddy. Danielle. I think our taxi is coming soon. So we're walking to the front now. But I was able to negotiate the price down by $5. The tip is just act like you're not interested. You have to act like you're not interested. That is the biggest tip here. Act like you're like, Yeah, that's you guys. Yeah, so we're going to the GIANYAR night markets. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's try this food.
We're bougie.
See, look how small their cars are, and you wanted to fit in this. Ew. Look
How big it is.
Wow. Make it come out, Zaya. You have to whistle.
No, it came out because of the rain, I think.
Wait, which one's our guy?
Oh, look here, Vicky. Here's another one. So get his head out.
Move that out.
The giant Balinese snail.
The giant snails. Ew.
Put them in.
The kissing! If you haven't already checked out the videos, guys, I've been posting every day since I've been here. Please make sure you go and check out that video before you watch this one. Vital information and vital laughs. We got Mummy Bear here.
Too small to go.
Cut that out, guys.
Because Balinese is all small.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, I know.
You can see the country, yes, right.
Yeah.
And we are small
And
too.
this car is from
Yeah.
Hey, isn't this near the airport? Are we near the airport?
no.
Oh, okay. We just got here to GIANYAR markets. We're not really sure where the bizzo's happening. Wait, we all jumped out of the car and closed the door, and Darnell was still in there. He was knocking. I was like, what's that sound? Completely forgot he was with us. Toads forgot, so I was... Ooh, look at all these fruit sellers. There's probably durian over there. Do you guys want to taste durian? No, that's durian. Whoa, what the heck? Oh wow, look.
Wow.
Wow, that's jackfruit being cut open. That's awesome. It's very sticky. Oh, no thank you. No thank you. What's this? Ah. Jack. No, this one. Le durian. Breadfruit. No, that's not breadfruit. That's jackfruit. No. I don't think that jackfruit is ulu in Samoa. Please comment down below and correct me if that is so. My dad said that jackfruit is ulu. If that is so, then we are eating it completely wrong. We got this here. Oh my gosh, I am not trying that. What is it? Some duck stuff. Oh, that's just chicken.
The whole chicken when they just take the milk.
Oh yeah, sure.
Come here.
Oh, how cool are these balloons? They got more jackfruit. Oh, look at this pig.
Oh, Vicky, they said that that's the bomb.
What?
Pork.
Well, the flies are all over it.
Oh, yeah. Are you in Macau?
I don't know what kind of laugh that was. Apparently suckling pork's pretty big here, but I want to get one that's like not fly infested. Oh, it smells, eh? I think it's a drain. How much? It was a good ball.
On the first year,
289.
how much is the
food.
There's nothing in our shops here, so I can buy anything for us all.
Well, we just got here, mate. Look, in there. Looks like there's a street food place there. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, look at that. Look at these chickens. They keep their heads on. But there's flies everywhere. There's no one like really in them. Different kinds of stuffs here. Oh, look at their eggs. Oh no, I know what that is. Oh, what's it called?
Which one?
You know how they cook a duck? It's like half cooked.
Where?
It's called a,
This
you
one?
know.
The Filipino food.
Yeah.
The half-cooked egg.
What is it? It's a half cooked duck?
It's Filipino.
I don't know if I'm game enough to try any of this, guys. I do not know. Damn, they don't really respect crossing, do they?
What is a pedestrian crossing?
Right? So we're here at the entrance of GIANYAR. We're here at this. We're gonna go through and see if we can find some food to try. Ooh, we got all kinds of fruits on the side here. These nice flowers, I guess for their faith stuff. I'm sorry if that was disrespectful, I don't know. Their religion. Look, jackfruit. Ooh. Oh wow. Yeah. We got some desserts. We'll probably be back. I want some actual food first. Min, you got your little balloon?
Yeah, it's despicable me balloon.
Oh look, there's suckling.
Yum, there's heaps of desserts.
Oh, I'm excited. We'll be back, guys. BRB. BRB. Oh look, there's heaps of desserts. Heaps of different desserts. Wow. Oh yeah. What's this one? Potatoes. Quail eggs. I'm just looking at the food. I don't think I want anything. This be crazy.
Oh my goodness, they're real. Sticky.
They dyed them?
Yes, they're like alive.
Oh my goodness, they dyed them. What the heck? Is this animal cruelty or what?
They're different colors.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my god. What the heck?
They're alive.
They painted the crab shells.
What the?
What the heckaroonie?
And there's your little bug house.
Oh my gosh, look at them. They're all trapped.
Watch out, you don't knock anything over.
Oh, these are so lekker. So we have ordered now, guys. We almost ordered this whole restaurant. Mum's good. I don't know how we're gonna be doing anything tomorrow because Mummy's pretty tired, aren't you, Mama? Mummy, are you tired? Massage. Yeah, the elephant, and then we'll go for a massage. I'm pretty sad, guys. Tomorrow is my last day. I'm not sad to leave, I'm just sad to leave my family, my parents. But I'm excited because I get to see Aussie boy again. But I really hope you enjoy these vlogs, guys. I think I've got 2 more before we bring it to an end. We are finally home after a long day. I just want to thank you guys once again for coming along with us. Thank you for your likes, your subscription, and your comments, guys. We really appreciate it. I hope you've enjoyed the Bali vlogs. We probably only got 2 more vlogs in Bali before it all comes to an end. I love Tofatu, man. He's a man.
Who's that?
Tofatu Solia.
Oh yeah.
He's so strong, man.
He's dynamite.
Yeah. We didn't bring one like that.
So a nice gesture there from the Samoan team. Very typical.
We
To concentrate
should have said that.
alongside
Look at him.
former New Zealand sevens.